Good morning, Sylvia here. Welcome to Travels by Trike. Today I am in Warrenton, Oregon at Fort Stevens State Park, and I'm with a lot of trikers, and we are getting ready to do the Waterfall ride. And there are 12 of us going on this 40-mile ride, and should be absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. So, all right, Myrtle, come on, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, we are leaving the campground, Loop F, and the Recumbent Retreat starts Thursday. Today is Wednesday, and a lot of people are already here, so we said, let's go for a ride. Okay, we are climbing out of Fort Stevens. It's a 7% grade hill to get out onto Highway 101. And we are ready for a gorgeous day out here. We got bright blue skies. Yeah, this is a group that likes to go fast. Some of the Recumbent Retreat groups the rides are, a little bit pokier and social. This isn't one of those. We're traveling at 18 miles an hour. We're going 19 miles an hour. Yep, I'm gonna get in front of you. Get out of the road, let the cars pass. All right, we're taking off a 101 here onto quieter 9th Street. And a nice downhill. And this is the town of Warrenton, Oregon. Yeah, it's a lot of climbing. We've got 600 feet of climbing so far. Yeah. Yeah, and here we are at the river. Can hear the falls. Can't really see them too well. If I hold the camera up, you can see it. Oh, oh my gosh, I made it down the walkway, and look at this tree. Is this not amazing? Look at all the moss on it. Oh, so beautiful. And there's more trails that you can take. So now we're trying another path closer to the water. Got thwarted? Yeah, it was all blocked by logs on the other way. Oh yeah, this looks good. This is better. Look at this. We did it. We made it. Made it to the falls. So this is Young's River Falls. Oh, wow. How beautiful, huh? And apparently there's salmon running upstream. Gosh, I don't know what they do when they get here. There must be another way for the salmon. Somebody said they saw some salmon in the water. Oh yeah, you see that? See that? There's salmon right there. Yep, there's a... Oh, you see him? You see him jump? You see him jump? Oh yeah, there's a bunch of them. There's a whole bunch over there. Oh, I wish I could see him better. Huh. Boy, there's some light in there too. You know.
Oh, right there. He's right there. There he goes.
There he goes. Yeah, they're kind of black in color.
Yeah, they are.
Oh yeah, and there was one. I guess they must spawn right here in this little cove here. Really gorgeous. Well, this is a nice place to spawn, as any, right? Okay, so we got a nice group here. This is the waterfall. Some of us went down and saw the salmon running. Barb, Diane. We got Bear and Rolf and Suzanne, Ken, and Paul, our leader. Leslie.
Hello.
Patty with her sweet Lunita, and Paula, and Lonnie. And we're heading on to continue the loop. Oh, what a fabulous day and a wonderful group. Pit stop in Olney, Oregon. And we're gonna park with the biker parking only. I suspect they're not talking about tricycles, but I'll take it as parking for tricycles only. Everybody's inside, getting some nourishment at DQ. Paul and I are out here watching the trikes. All right, we are getting to the end of this ride. We are back at Fort Stevens State Park. It has just been an outstanding day.
I think we had 12 riders for the waterfall, the Youngs River waterfall. Saw some absolutely gorgeous sights. Just love coming here. I think this is my 12th or maybe 17th time coming to the Recumbent Retreat, which actually starts tomorrow. And this is, I think, the most challenging and longest of all the rides that are available at the Recumbent Retreat. We have 43 miles, got a little bit further to go, 1,200 feet of climbing, and just outstanding day for a ride. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for following along, and I'll see you in the next video.